My name is Natik Kumar and I am a student of advanced level at the Paragon Academy, Badin. Today the topic of my presentation is the network crime, internet crime. As you all listen the internet crime. So internet crime is called cybercrime, and today I will tell about what is cybercrime. So cybercrime is the any type of criminal activity in that involves in the computers, internet devices and other internets, etc. And the most cyber crimes are carried out in order to generate profit of the cyber criminals and as you all know, some cyber crimes are carried out against computers and devices to directly damage or disable them. And some use the computer and other networks that marvel illegal informations and images and other network that is pure. And some cybercrimes do both. And let me give you a suggestion to how we can reduce the cybercrime. You target the computers and infect them with the computer virus, and which is then spared in other machines. And sometimes the internet, entire internet. Thanks.